Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Apache RTR charging kit on your Apache RTR 204V or 164V. So it comes with a 3-pin port and a waterproof case. So you can easily install it into your bike without doing any wire cuts. So I'll show you how to install it. So this is the USB port. It supports fast charging. So first you have to remove the screw on from the top to open the headlight case. So first you have to loosen this screw from both the sides. Once the screw is removed, you can just pull it to open. So here you can find a 3-pin port. There is only one 3-pin port, so it's easy to find. So we are gonna connect our charging kit to this 3-pin port. First remove this 3-pin port and connect the male of the 3-pin port with the female of the charger kit, and male of the charger kit with the female of the bike 3-pin port as shown in the video. So once you connect, you will hear a tick sound, so it means the connection is successful. The advantage of using this TVS charger kit is it supports fast charging, and second is you don't have to do any wire cuts, and third thing is it works only when the ignition is on, so nobody can connect to your charger and use it. As you can see, it's not charging now, so I will turn on the key. You can see it started charging, fast charging. I have used black cello tape to cover the wire, and this is where we are going to install the charger. We have to remove this bolt from the mirror, and this is how you will install it. So once removed, you can add this module and you can tighten the screw. This is how it looks like once the installation is over. It comes with a spring top, so you can easily open and close it. So the installation is over. Let me check it one more time. So let me turn on the key. As you can see, it started charging. These are the tools I have used: a screwdriver with start top and a spanner of size 10. You can buy this from hardware shop, or you can buy it from the link given in the description. I have given two links in the description to buy the spanner set as well as the uh, charging module. It supports fast charging, and you can install it on any TVS bike or any bike with 3-pin port.